because I'm out of my home, sir, and I think you can see. Yes, sir. I'm in our field, sir, like farming field.
why
You
why
can
you are
see,
here?
sir.
Why you are here
Like
instead of home?
I have to do this kind of work, sir, because I'm basically belong to farmer family, so that's why, sir.
So this is your farm? This is your farm?
Yeah, this is belong to my father farm, sir.
Oh, come on. This is belongs to your father farm. In a sense, this is
Yes,
your farm.
yes, sir.
I
Yes,
see,
sir.
I see. Where are you
I'm
calling
really
from,
cloud
brother?
nine, sir.
Huh?
Like I'm from Odisha, sir. I'm real right now cloud nine, sir.
That's good.
I'm from Odisha, sir. Like my district name is Koraput,
Which
and
what's
like
your
I
district?
have been Koraput, Koraput, sir.
I see.
Mm. And like I have been watching your video for I think 1 month, sir. It has completed so far, and I
I see.
wanted to talk to you right now. I got chance, sir, and right now I'm having conversation with you, sir.
That's
And
good.
you are doing very great job, sir. To be honest with you, for us,
Mm-hmm.
and you are uploading daily for us like such kind of video. This kind of video really need for us. And like yesterday night, I saw one video, sir. Like it is related to. I think it was sorry. It was related to has have been. I
I
think,
see.
sir. I yes. Mm.
Did you enjoy that video? Did you understand something?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
What
understand so many things, sir.
I see. What you understood? I want to know. Tell me.
Like I have been to Dubai.
Mm,
How long have you live in Dubai? So these are this kind of question I understood, sir, and
I see.
answer as well.
I see.
Yes,
I see. That's great. That's great. It's mean my tactic is good. The way I,
yes, sir.
put
Yes,
the
sir. Yes,
graphics.
you are under.
That's
Yes, sir,
great.
and I really love it. Your whole video.
Thank you. Thank you. But I have a question.
Okay, sir.
Why you want to learn English? What's the reason behind?
It was my passion, sir, because earlier, like when I was in school, 1 to 10th class, I used to study over there that school, sir. At that time, I was very good all subjects, sir, beside English. And
Beside
also, like
English.
when I used to study, yes, when I used to study like +2, at that time also my English was very poor, sir. During 10th class, I think result I got 30% mark and +2 32, sir. It was my very bad exam, sir. Like English, only English exam, sir. But beside English, I was okay, sir. Every subject. Then I left my study, sir. Like when I complete my +2, then I left my study. Yeah. Like due to like I can say, sir, our financial condition, because our financial condition is not up to the mark. I can say it is just from hand to mouth, sir. So that's why.
That's
Yes,
great.
sir. Yes, sir.
I really don't have a word. I must initiate. Really, you surprised me. You surprised
Yes,
me the way you are speaking fantastic English.
yes. You know, sir. Like one day I was just scrolling, sir, on YouTube. Then I got your like channel, and when I saw Ori Potawala, wow, Potawala, how can he can speak English? Then let's show that video. Then wow. Then when I saw like after like so just 5 minutes, then I subscribed your channel. For that day, I have been like watching all day your videos, sir. Means
Mm-hmm.
few video I have watched so far, because this day I'm like my schedule is like pathetic, sir, because I have to do so many work. Like
Mm-hmm.
there is a one idiom I think you know, sir. Like farmer they do as like burn the midnight oil.
Yes, yes, absolutely. You are
Yes,
absolutely right.
yes. So
Yes.
as soon as I get up, then I have to come here on our field. Yes, and
So
I
I,
have
I
to
see.
do so many work here, sir. Because like we crop these times are like paddy crops, and it is related to water
Yeah.
guzzling crops. So that's why we have to make this kind of like linwe, sir.
Yes. So
You
this
can
is
see
this
here,
is
sir.
yeah, this is patty field, isn't it? I'm right.
Yes, yes, sir. And like this is village, sir, paddy crops village.
I see.
Like I
Absolutely.
think tomorrow, yes, I think we are tomorrow gonna implement like in our land, sir.
Mm-hmm.
That side our
I
land,
see.
sir. It is our
I,
belt.
s- I see. I see. How
Yes,
old
sir.
are you, Mr. Harihar? How old are you?
Like 23, sir.
Yeah, that's great. And you, what's your qualification?
Just I have just I complete my plus two, sir.
That's it.
Then I have my study.
Why
Yes,
don't you
sir. That
why you didn't study further? Why you didn't study further?
no, 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 no. Like sir, at that time, like our financial condition was not up to the mark. So
Hmm.
that's why I left my study. Yeah, these are the
Okay,
problems.
but you can study if your
Yes.
financial situation is good, then you can study right now also.
No,
You
no,
are
no,
young.
no. Yes, 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 sir. Yes, sir. Like also, I can take admission any kind of government like college, sir,
Just
because my whole like means my percentage is very good, sir. Means I can get everywhere like chance to admission might be any kind of college. So I'm thinking about it, sir, this day because I was,
well,
like I have like okay, sir, go ahead.
you are very smart guy. You know, I think you nobody told you. I don't know whether
Yes, yes,
someone
sir.
told you or not.
Yes,
You
yes,
are very
sir. You are
smart.
100%. You are 100% right, sir. Like I live in just a small village, sir, and here in my area, sir, no one don't know English, to be honest with you. But I am trying, sir. Let's see how how can I learn.
No, no, really, really, you are a smart guy. You are a talented guy. I don't know what kind of a talent in you possess, but you should study further, brother. You should study further. You
Yes,
know?
sir. I'm thinking
Yes.
that. Yes,
I am
sir. Yes.
really, 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 I really don't have a word. What do you want to be in your life? What do you want to be in your life?
Sir,
What's your any dream?
suppose definitely, sir. There is no room doubt. Like, sir, I want to be a teacher. Suppose if I study, then definitely I would go for that field. Because in my area, sir, like particularly, education system is very poor, sir. So that's
Hmm.
why. Suppose if I get instance to teach, might be any kind of school or like anywhere, sir, then I would prefer only English, sir, because English is these days very much important language, and in order to get good job, maybe good like future, so we need only English language, sir. So that's why. So
But
that's
have
why.
you learned
Let's see.
all this English? Have you learned all this English? Have you learned?
Like, sir, I have been learning English for 5 months. I think it has completed so
I
far. Like whenever I come across might be any kind of new vocab word. At that time, just jot down that vocab and word.
mm-hmm.
Like also, like I have learned so far so many new vocab, like by watching only your video, like dilemma, and so many vocabs, sir. Right now I can't say you,
Mm-hmm. Yes,
but yeah, mm,
I'm
yes, sir.
thinking about you, the way you speak. Can you please tell me your strategy that how you build your vocabulary, how you get the confidence, how you got this kind of a confidence? Can you please tell my subscriber, our viewers, how?
Okay, sir. So it is gonna upload YouTube, sir,
It's up
because
to you.
I'm
If you will,
really
if
no, 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 no,
just
sorry. You should upload, sir. You should upload because
okay,
I
then
want to
tell me.
see on your
Okay, then
YouTube
tell.
channel.
Okay, then
Yes,
tell
sir.
me. I'll upload. Tell me
Like
then.
I have a four books, sir. Like four notebooks, sir. Like one book I use. Like whenever I come across might be new vocab. So at that time, just I jot down that, and I have one like another book notebook, like where I means I write some sentence formation structures, or how can we formation new sentence. And I have one like it is related to grammar, but
Mm-hmm.
I don't like that much grammar, sir.
I see. I see.
Because grammar is very very like different, sir, to speaking. So that's why I don't like.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
Like six, sir.
You
Three brother, three sister.
And how many land, how big land do you have? How many acre of land do you have?
Like three, sir.
Three. It's enough for
3
you?
acre
It's
land.
enough? It's enough for you people? That's enough?
Yeah, you can see, sir. It is.
I
We
see,
can
I see,
survive easily by doing this
I
kind
see.
of like
Mm,
growing this kind of crops, and also we grown like potato. These are the like
mhm,
vegetables, are like coriander leaves and onion, like
mhm,
brinjal, like so many
mhm,
potatoes are like beans, like bitter gourd.
mhm, mhm.
Yeah,
So
these are
what
the
you
crops.
purchase from outside, like everything you grown in your field. So what you purchase from outside? Like you purchase
No, no, no,
milk,
sir. No, no,
you
sir.
purchase
No,
oil.
no, 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 no. Like during rainy season, we have to purchase so many things, sir. Like onion, potato, like whatever, sir, we eat. Because
Mhm.
during rainy season, we can't grow here, sir.
I see.
Because like only paddy crops we grown, because it is like paddy crops is a water guzzling crop. We
Mhm.
need so many water. And I think you know very well, sir. Odisha is it a situated nearby coastal area, so that's why we have to face so many time. I think third problem, like in a means like we have to face 3 times, sir,
Mhm.
during rainy season. It is also sir, like 90 day year
I
happens
see.
only rain. Still we have
Mhm.
to not, we can't say, sir, like three times. It would be might be four and sometimes five, because like sir, in my village there are two rivers situated, sir. So that's why
Mhm.
it is also
I see.
happening.
So do you have gas, LPG gas? Do you have? Do you use
Yes,
LPG
yes,
gas?
sir. Yes, yes, sir.
I see. Absolutely. And you purchase, I think you purchase oil from outside, or do you don't purchase oil?
No, no, we
Then
have to purchase it, sir.
my question is, for your daily routine, what do you purchase from outside, like oil, milk, gas, matchstick, and what else? Sugar, all
No,
these
no, no,
things
no,
you
sir.
purchase.
Yes, yes, all these things we have to purchase it, sir. So, like
Absolutely.
during only rainy season,
I
and
see.
like winter season, we can grow like this kind of
Absolutely.
vegetable.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So except farming, do you do anything else? Do you do anything else?
No, no, sir. No, no. This day I'm nothing doing, to be honest.
Did you watch the Pushpa movie? Did you watch the Pushpa movie?
Yes, yes, I was sir Pushpa movie.
When did you watch Pushpa movie?
I think it has might be like 15 days ago, sir.
I see. Simple
I
say
was
I
15 days ago.
it has, don't say it has, it has. Simply
Yes, yes.
I watched
Sorry, sir. I did
15
mistake
days
here.
ago. No, no, don't say
Yes,
like this,
sorry.
brother. Don't say mistake. It happened. We are non-native English speaker. It happened. It's a normal. Relax.
Yes.
Enjoy learning. Don't think that I made a mistake. Now what happened? No, forget all these things. Enjoy. Relax.
No, no,
Chill.
sir. No, no, sir. Whenever I do mistake at that time, sir, I understand. Wow, I did here
Yes.
mistake.
Yeah,
These
no
are the
problem.
thing I know.
This is the key of the success, that you understood
Yes,
and
sir.
you understand. So, what's your favorite actor, Mr. Harihar? May I know?
Uh, uh, yes, sir. There is no doubt. All version, sir.
Oh my.
Because because him every movie is like blockbuster, and like every movie is quite good, sir. So that's why I
Okay.
like a movie, every
Except
movie.
except Puspa, which movie you like? Except Puspa, Allu Arjun's, which movie you like most?
Like Allah Vaikunthapuram. There are so many movies, sir. I like
Allah.
Allu Arjun movie because
I
he is my superstar. So that's why.
Okay. Okay. What about actress? What's your favorite actor? Who is your favorite actress?
No, no, sir. I don't have any kind of actor, favorite actor.
Okay.
Actor.
I see.
Yes.
That's a great. What if you will get chance? What if you will get chance to study further? What will you study? You wanted to be a doctor, engineer, prime minister, or a teacher? What do you want to
No,
be?
no, sir. There is no doubt, sir. Teacher, sir. Suppose if I
Why
get
teacher?
definitely
Why teacher? Why teacher? Why only
because
English
because
teachers?
because I love teaching, and I want to teach some students are like in my area, sir. Many poor people live here, so that's why I
I
want to
see.
teach them. Suppose they want to be study, then they need much money, sir. Means like
I see.
good education. I
I
think
see.
you know very well, sir. In our Odisha, like like government school study education.
Yes, I understand. I
And to
understand.
be and to be honest, which is sir like these days like a student they are not getting proper education due to this kind of pandemic, sir, Corona Omicron pandemic.
Mm-hmm. So, are you
So,
doing anything? Are you doing nowadays anything for your poor student, poor people? Are you doing anything? Are
like
you providing
no no
anything?
sir no sir like earlier I used to take one class, but
I
this
see.
day I I can't take, sir, like due to my work.
I see. Absolutely.
Hmm.
Absolutely. That's great.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you are a fantastic man. Where is Odisha situated? Where is Odisha?
Means
Nearby. Where is Odisha exactly? Where in the Indian map? Where Odisha? Nearby Mumbai, Jahangir, Maharashtra. Where Odisha?
no, sir. No, sir. It is like Andhra, like neighbor states, sir. Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, West
Mhm.
Bengal, Chhattisgarh, and
No. So
Odisha means like it is East
where
India.
is where is Odisha? In Jharkhand. Where is Odisha, my friend? Who is your neighbor state? Who is your neighbor state? What is your neighbor state?
Our neighbor state, like four neighbor states, sir. One Andhra Pradesh,
Ah,
Chhattisgarh,
that's okay. That's
Jharkhand, West Bengal.
that's so.
Yes,
May I know the Home Minister of India? Can you give me the answer?
Home Minister, sir.
Ah, yes. Who is the Home Minister of India?
No, sir. Sorry for that, sir. I don't know, but our CM is Mr. Naveen Patnaik.
Your CM is Naveen Patnaik,
Yes, sir.
and who is the Rashtra like what we call uh,
But
uh,
sir,
no.
also like it is
President.
related to like
Sorry, no. I'm talking about president. Who is the president of India? May I know?
no, sir. Sorry, I don't know.
You don't know. Like okay, come
Yes,
on.
sir.
Who is the finance minister? Who is the
Oh,
finance?
no. President, I think Ram. Sorry, Ramnath Govind, I think.
Oh, that's great. That's very good answer.
Yes,
I think
yes.
you have a Google
And
out there. I
no, no, sir.
I see. That's a great. That's a great, Mr. Harihar. That's a great. Look, I'll tell you one thing. If you are
Okay.
if you wanted to practice your spoken English, if you wanted to practice your spoken English, download the app called Hybro. You know my Hybro, my our application called
I
Hybro.
know, sir. I know, sir.